Hey everyone, welcome back to DigiGlobe Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental data types in Python, which is called strings. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, understanding strings is crucial for working with text in Python. So let's get started. What is a string? So what exactly is a string? In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Use either single quotes or double quotes and the result is the same. Here is a simple example. Let us see. We will use string of hello world, which is message. It is equal hello world. In this example, message is a string variable containing the text hello world. String can hold letters, numbers, symbols, and even spaces. Creating and printing string. Creating string is easy. Just assign text to a variable using quotes and you are done. To see the content of a string, you can use the print function. Let us print this message. So let us run this and we got hello world. This code will output hello world, and you can also print strings directly without storing them in a variable. Let us print string directly. Python is awesome. Let us print this and we got hello world, which is this, and we have Python is awesome. This prints the message as Python is awesome. Now string operations, we have concatenation. One of the coolest thing you can do with strings is concatenate them, which means joining them together. You can do this using a plus operator. Let us clear this and we have, let us take first name John and last name Doy. Let us concatenate this as full name equal to first name and we have last name. Now we will print full name. Let us run this. So it gives the output after concatenation these two things. In this example, we are joining a first name and last name with a space between, resulting in John Doe. This is a great way of combining multiple pieces of text into one. Now we have indexing and slicing. Strings in Python are indexed, meaning each character in string has a position. Starting from 0, you can access individual characters using the index. Now we will see for this an example. So we will say greetings, which is we will hello, we will greet them and we will print greetings of indexing 0. We will take an index as 0 and we will run this one and we have, well, index 0 starts with 0, index starts with 0, so we have letter H. This will output H, the first character in the string. Python also allows you to slice string to get a substring. Let us print from, we need a string from 1 to 4. Now we will see how it got the output. We have E and ELL. This will output ELL, which is the substring from index 1 to 3. Slicing is a powerful tool for extracting parts of a string. Now while coming to the string methods, Python provides a bunch of built-in methods to manipulate string. Let us look a few common ones, which is lower, converting the string to lowercase, upper, converting the string to uppercase. These are the changing cases. While coming to the stripping white spaces, it removes white spaces from the beginning and end. While coming to the replacing substrings, replace a part of the string with another string, while splitting and joining splits the string into a list of substrings. Let us see the some of these methods in actions, and we will print the output. We have we will take one text which is Python programming, and we will print text lower. We have we will changing into the lowercase, and we got the output as desired. Now we will use strip method, which we will get stripping the white spaces, and output will get output. As you see, we have from above one and below one, we have output by stripping, means it removes white spaces. Now we will see by text replace Python with Java. Now we will run the output. Now we have Java programming. These methods make it easy to format and manipulate text in Python. Now we have substrings. We have already found it substrings. Immutability. Strings in Python are immutable. This means that once a string is created, it can't be modified. Any operations that appears to modify a string actually creates a new string. Now let us see one string by going to the conclusion. We have like string formatting. String formatting allows you to insert variables into the strings. There are several ways to do it in Python, but one of the common way is f strings. Let us see string literals. We have name, Alice, age 30, and we will print one message which is taking f literals. We have my name is name, and I am age years old. Now we will print this message and f strings. These are the placeholders whose have its name and age we will be placing. Now my name is Alice, I am 30 years old. Now we got the result. Okay. Now f strings is prefixed with an f and uses curly braces embedded variables directly into the string. It prints the output. If you need a work with multi-text, Python has covered you with triple quotes. This allows you to create the strings with a span of triple quotes and output. And that's a quick overview of strings in Python. We covered everything from basic strings creation to more advanced techniques like slicing and formatting. Strings are incredibly versatile, used in almost every Python program. So, mastering them is key to become a proficient Python developer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching.